Hello everybody. You're welcome to our weekly forecast on GDP USD. For all my fans there, those of you that trade GDP USD, this is the time again to look at the market. It's gonna be an epic edition, trust me. And I tell you what, this week we are gonna be seeing some good setups and trades like we have never been seeing for the past couple of weeks, like months. Like I'm talking about August time, July, August, September. We didn't see some good setups, but the market is beginning to settle down. So now we want to look at what the market holds in this week 45. Now we did week 44 last week, and week 45 forecast is generally is going to be from tonight when the market open, and we're looking at the first day of the trading market, which will be on Monday morning, and we're all looking at the market. But what do we expect? Now, remember last week we talked about the market breaking this high and pushing up to target this liquidity level, this high here. And we also observed that we were on an uptrend, gradually pushing up. All right. Probably you might have thought this was a retracement from here to this zone. All right. But the market actually is pushing higher beyond that, because if you were to use the fib to try take that high and you will discover that the market is already pushing ahead way above the retracement level and is still very bullish ahead. So we'll be looking at probably a reversal here, even though we haven't seen a proper reversal pattern on this particular weekly time frame. But nevertheless, we're looking at the weekly candlestick. All right, this is the weekly candlestick. Looking at the behavior here, we can see that the candles is creating higher highs now on the weekly. If you will focus right about this level of the market, if you will focus right here, you see that we have market creating now higher highs. Before, we have market creating lower high and higher high, lower high, and then another higher high, another higher high, and then equal high, probably lower high bit, and then pushed above to break it. Now, this move of this week is just the icebreaker. This is the key to the trading the rest of the week, of this month, and of probably of December, even though the market might be a bit slow at December. So what we're looking at right now, guys, is this. First, you need to see that the market is coming close to the end of the year. All right, so that's one point you want to look at. So first of all, you want to think, when will the year end? So we're looking at December 20, this is January here, December. We're looking at actually January 3rd, January 2nd, January 2nd of May. That will be the first week that we'll be looking at trading the market for the new year. Now we just have between this movement here, from here to here, for price to move and give us a potential trades for the rest of the year. Now the question is, what do you think? What do I think? I'm thinking that the market have the potential to go to break this key level here. I'm looking at the market breaking this level for the year. All right, I'm looking at the market breaking this high. Let me just put it there for the year. All right, I'm also looking at the market attempting to break this other high for the year. You see, how did you know? Well, first of all, you should understand that when you see that, look at the previous candles of retracement first. You see the retracement that we ever had. They were smaller candles, okay? We saw that the market was having, after the push down all the way from 2021, we had the push drop down this level, and then we have the lowest low of history, and then the market started rallying up. Now, if you notice, the candles is becoming bigger and it's really strong, like this weak candle, how big that is, massive. Now, I'm anticipating that the market will go up higher to that level. So the question will be, how soon will the market get there? Well, my anticipation is still remain the same. We are bullish already. Looking at the weekly, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, I'm coming to that. Just let me go to the daily time frame for a minute. Let me go to the daily time frame and show you something. If you look at the daily time frame, what do you see? Now, I see that the market has changed a pattern. Why? We see that the market actually is reversing here on the daily. We see that the market moved from this point and dropped to this point, creating a lowest low. Then the market pushed all the way up to create a higher or a lower high. You can call this a lower high. And then dropped and failed to create a lower low. So we now have what we call a new high, a lower high, sorry, which is called higher low, right? We have a new higher low because this low is higher than this. So what happened? The market pushed all the way up, right? And consolidated here. This is consolidation. We can have liquidity level there. And then the market pushed all the way up again and create a new high to break this high. So we have market structure there broken, a new high is created, and what do you see? The market created another low, but this time it is a higher low. And then what happened? Market pushed all the way up crazily to break this high. So we can see that the market is rallying up right now. This is what I see. So the market is rallying up until he hits this level into the month of December or throughout until January. Now, when it gets to January, the market may push above this one because this is not a lot of pips. Let me just show you what I mean. If you look at, I'm anticipating this top here, that the market will get to this top before December end, before the ending of December. So if you check from here to that level, that will give you about 800 pips. So I believe that the market will be able to spill out 800 pips between now and the end of December, before we get to the month of January 2023, whereby we'll be anticipating a reversal again. Now, depending on the seasonal tendencies, okay, I'm looking at what the seasonal tendencies may hold in the past. So looking at history here, we see that the market has done this before. All right, so I'm anticipating market will do this, climb up and start going down for the month of January. So we might see this kind of movement happening. So when we clock into January, expect to be seeing a fall of this market. Now, this is the higher time frame, guys, because if you go to lower time frame, you're going to be seeing some imbalances, some push up, some big candles that market moved, and then you thinking, when is it going to close it? All right, but at the moment, this is what you see that I feel that the market is going to do. So looking at it, we might be seeing a rapid drop in the month of January, crazy drop in the month of January and February, or even into the late December. We might start seeing that push down from even the late December. It might start happening like that. So depending on what the market want to do. So I'm anticipating a push up to this high. Okay, if it doesn't break this high, then we might eventually start seeing that happen. But for now, this market is intending to come to this high. So I'm looking at what? How many pips? We're looking at the pips here. That's about 500 pips, thereabout. That's not bad at all for the market to spill out. We know the market spill out these pips every week. So 500 pips can be done in 1 week on GU these days. So that's not a big deal. But I'm not sure it's going to be like an upward move to 500 pips. Rather, we're going to have like a zigzag move, okay, kind of, and the market may play around and then before hitting that target for the week. So yeah, this is our goal. This is our weekly target. This is what we're looking at this week. We expect the market to get there this week and give us about 500 pips. Guys, listen, it's up to you. Do you want to cash this 500 pips this week? It's up to you. So I'm anticipating price action either here or here this month of November, December. So I'm anticipating, especially this month of November, price may come up here and react. So if we see price come up here and then start rallying down before the month of January, then we know that January we should be expecting price to come to the low again before anticipating to go back up. So this is where we'll be targeting for the month of January that the market will come to. All right, but now we look, this is just the daily time frame, and this is my anticipation. This is what I'm expecting the market will do. But looking at market structures already on the daily, we are on the uptrend. So everywhere we can tell that the market is now strong buy on the daily, because the market has taken up this high, taking up this high. We have structure broken, structure broken. So that is evidence that the market is targeting the next structure here, not this one, but this one. So the market is targeting this one because already taking this one is it's already a done deal. There's no structure there that you want to think the market will hold. All right, it's gonna target this high. The next high is here. So get yourself ready to catch some pips this week to the upside. So we have strong buy on the daily. Now, if we move to the 4-hour time frame, it's obvious that we are still in agreement with the daily that it is an uptrend. So we can see now on the 4-hour time frame how the market has really moved. So this is where you have to put your trend line for those of you that trade trend lines, and then start using it as your way of guiding your trades. Okay, you want to guide your trades and make your decisions based on that. So we see that the market has created that channel there, and then break in, break out again, break in again, and break out. So we should expect a retest on either of this trend line. All right, and then it push up, though the market may come back in here. All right, the first week, and then first few days, and then rally back up for the week. So expect this move to happen. All right, it may not go up straight, but kind of you can tell what I'm trying to do. Structure here, market comes in here, push up, and then probably rally on again, and then push all the way up to break structures and all of that. You understand what I'm trying to say? So again, this is possibility that may happen this week, possibility. And we have one structure broken, again. Market are just tapping to the zone right here and is about to break the structure and is heading to that structure. So we can see that we are on the uptrend on the 4-hour. That is clear enough for us to see that we are bullish, right? We're bullish on the 4-hour. Now, what about the an hourly time frame, the hour time frame, 1 hour? Of course, the 1 hour also agree that we are bullish. So we have structure here was taken out. This one has been taken out. This very one here has been taken out. And then the market have taken out this structure. So we have this structure taken out. Here taken out, here taken out. By this one took this one out. All right. And this one took this one out. So now we are headed up there. So the market is still pushing up. So we are heavily bullish. All right, this is beautiful. So now that we are bullish, we know that we're bullish. All we need to do is just to look for opportunity to keep buying to the market until we hit our 1.2300 level of the psychological levels. So you want to look at 1.23. So a pound would get to $1.23 cents. Hopefully in the near future, which is this week, we're expecting dollar to rise to 1.23. A pound to rise to $1.23. Okay, that's what we're looking at this week. So target that levels, expect it. That doesn't mean you should not sell. Remember, the market move in what? In structure. So in waves. So that doesn't mean you should not sell. If you find opportunity to sell, you could sell it, make your money. But the more you should be focusing on is the buy structure, is an uptrend. So you want to focus on buying this market all the way. All right, your major focus should be buying GU. G is ready to go up and it's ready to fly. And remember what I said about the seasonal tendency. We're looking at the end of the year, what's going to happen from January. We might start seeing the market scaling down from that level again to touch this low, break this low, and then probably rally up again. All right. So the market moves in such waves. So guys, I think that is it for the week. We are ready. Now I've been doing the Black Friday promotion on my mentorship program. For those of you who haven't joined, listen, you're watching this video. This is your opportunity. By the 26th of this November, the door will be shut for those who haven't actually subscribed to our mentorship program for 1 year. Listen, you're going to be under our tutelage for 1 year. It's not happening anywhere. But guess what? If you want to join us, this is the time. So the Black Friday promo is on right now. So if you want to find out more about that, do not hesitate to join our Telegram group. You get all the information there, and also hit me up there. Once you get into the Telegram group, you'll be able to get more information about this promo that is on right now on our mentorship. 50% off. You don't want to miss that. 50% promo off. That is huge. You get it? So yeah, for 1 year, and you get mentored to learn how to trade successfully and consistently profitable. That's what you want to look at. All right. Thank you all, guys. I appreciate you. And for those of you who are in my Telegram group, expect us to send you our charts analysis of what we're looking at on a daily to catch the trade. So yeah, that's it. That's what we'll do. Thank you, guys. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for, bro? Come on, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Let's share this information. Hit the like button as well. Thank you all for sharing, for being part of our team. And I'll see you next week in week 46. Bye for now, guys.